Okay, Jediah, for your character education test, the story about Jacob and Esau, here are your questions. Okay, who were the twin brothers in the story?
Jacob and Esau.
Very good.
Was a bit easy.
Okay, who was the older brother?
Esau.
What was Esau's favorite activity? Is it cooking, hunting, or
Hunting.
reading? Okay. What did Esau trade for? About a bowl of soup?
Cheese birthright.
Galing nga. Who helped Jacob trick his father Isaac?
Esau.
No. Who helped Jacob trick his father Isaac? Okay, here are the choices. His brother Esau, his mother Rebecca, or a servant?
Mama Rebecca.
Okay.
Is that correct?
Yeah. Why did Isaac bless Jacob instead of Esau? Here are the choices.
Esau.
Jacob told the truth. Isaac thought Jacob was Esau because he wore animal fur.
It is.
Or Esau did not want a blessing.
Esau doesn't want a blessing.
Okay.
Is that correct?
No. Isaac thought Jacob was Esau because he wore animal fur. Okay lang. That's okay. Okay. 7. How did Esau feel when he found out Jacob took his blessing?
Like sad.
Was he happy, angry, or sleepy?
Angry.
Okay. Why did Jacob run away? Here are the choices. He wanted to go on an adventure. He was scared that Esau would hurt him. Or he wanted
to go to an adventure.
Or he wanted to hurt Esau.
He was scared Esau's gonna hit him.
Okay. What did Jacob do after many years? Did he return home to see Esau? He stayed away forever, or he became a king?
He went back to Esau.
Oh, okay. What did Esau do when he saw Jacob after many years? Did he hug him and forgive him? Did he run away, or did he take Jacob's animals?
He hugged him, of course.
And forgave him.
Yeah, forgive him.
Okay, thank you, Jediah, for your test. Good job.